Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today I'll take another look into the charts and yeah, a little bit of a higher low again for the S&P 500, although this doesn't look that good. Lower low than this one. Doesn't look that hot right now. Same for the Nasdaq over here. And the Dixie is looking strong over here. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, equal tops. So this is dangerous right here. The Dixie is being quite dangerous. A little bit of a breakdown for the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. So watch out for that when those markets open. Can see it over here as well, you know. Higher lows all the time, higher lows. And, you know, if they go here again, they'll probably break it. Next stop for Dixie, this one. That's not good for all the other markets. Quick look at the ES1 futures. Still good, still good. Want to see a higher low over here. I mean, not perfect. Quick look at the weekly. Weekly, a little bit of an engulfment, but we're still very high. We've seen it before, you know. It's not that bad yet, but the thing is, you know, volumes are dropping. So it is something to keep in mind. If they go much lower, if they break those trend lines, make lower lows, you watch out. Many people have been calling doom already for the S&P 500 and they keep getting squeezed. But the thing is, you know, volume is dropping, so it is getting scary. Here's the thing. The Bitfinex whale is, well, he's closing his big fat short position. All of them, he has been doing them recently, quite big. I'm not sure who it is. But all of them have been profitable. Longs are basically rising a little bit, but that's nothing compared to these shorts. What else? Bitcoin. The thing is, you know, we're making, I mean, we're going down a little bit, but right now, the last couple of hours, or more than a day, I would say, we've been hanging over here with quite some negative funding, especially today. Quite negative funding and discounts, and that's basically how bottoms happen. Quick look at the funding rates over here, and we can see they're quite negative predicted. And the thing is, you know, if they're going that low, that's basically how bottoms happen. If everybody's short and we have negative funding, that means they have to pay with their collateral without, you know, being able to take profit. And that is very, very good. They're basically slowly getting squeezed without price moving, but squeezed with their collateral. They have to pay this funding without price going down. Of course, open interests are way lower than earlier on. We can see that over here. So it is less of a big problem, I would say. Also, a lot of people are tethered nowadays. Talked about it with Magus yesterday. And you can see over here as well, the Bitfinex boy is even pushing Bitfinex into quite some big premiums over Coinbase over here, up to $70. That's how much they are. And over here, compared to Coinbase, quite some discounts on derivatives on BitMEX and Bybit at $40 at some points. That's about that. So I'm getting bullish right here. It is at the lows. Invalidation is close, of course. If you make a new low over here, I am out of my longs. But for now, I'm already more than a day long catching funding, being paid by the people who are in their shorts. And they're basically paying me. This is what we're seeing in a lower time frame, that trend line. And if you zoom in a little bit more, we can go to the 15-minute. The higher time frames, we've all seen them, of course, but you can see it, you know, over here. This is a level, basically this level is what it's all about right now, making a higher high than last night, basically. That is a level where it's all about getting above this trend line, getting above earlier days high, and getting above here. And this is exactly what we want to see. Over here you can see it, you know, this is how bottoms are formed. With funding being zone neutral, then squeeze them up a little bit more. And the thing is, you know, as soon as we get above 35k, the real squeeze will begin. Let's call it 35k, this area over here, these highs all from here to, let's say, over here. That area, if we break this, a lot of stops will hit. We will cascade to the upside basically. The same counts, you know, if we go below that one. That is about it. Quick look at Ethereum, of course. We're always looking at Ethereum. Ethereum still higher high compared to these ones over here. So not that much going on for Ethereum. Volume very much declining, by the way. Ethereum BTC, I mean, same over here. This level all important right now at exactly 0.6. 0.06. So that's an important level as well, fundamentally or like psychologically. Yeah, very important level to hold. And if you go here, you know, it's over for Ethereum BTC. And that's about it. How's the fear index? Oh, they're pretty fearful. Very good. Fundings are very low. And that is about it. I'm targeting upside. Invalidation, quite close. Below 31k, I'm out. Other than that, I let the bears pay me. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Also make sure to check out yesterday's video, the interview with Trader Magus. If you're having weekend, you know, like also with Salsa Tequila, very good one, and Low Strife. I really like doing those interviews. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure to subscribe. See you guys again tomorrow.